Hey guys, welcome. Today we are dealing with Python. So welcome to Python. And today's topic we will be dealing with is identifiers. So let's just jump into it. So what are identifiers? Identifiers are any variables that we consider and assign a value to it. They are like any input or output variables. There are certain rules while defining these variables or identifiers. Let's see what they are. So rule number 1. Identifiers can be like any alphabets from A to Z. Let's take A equal to 10 and B equal to 20 and print A comma B. This will give an output 10 and 20. Let's take one more example. Sum equal to 10 print sum. This will give value as 10. Now let's take A as 1 and we don't really need to type print if it's only one variable, so just giving A will print the value as 1. Now let's take as capital X as 10, then ask for value of small x. It shows an error as not defined. This is for to show that identifiers are case sensitive. Now let's take an example with digits as sum 9 equal to 12 and print sum 9. This gives value as 12, but if I take digits at the beginning as 9 sum equal to 1 and print 9 sum, it will show an error as invalid syntax. Now let's use special characters and check. Let's take as sum at 9 equal to 19 and print sum at. This shows an error. Let's take as sum comma equal to 1, then print. This gives an error too. This means that we can't use special characters while defining identifiers. Now let's try with space. Let's take space sum equal to 1, then print. It shows indent error because of this extra unnecessary indent given before print. Let's take it out. Now it prints as 1. Now let's take as sum 10 but with su space yum equal to 10. Then print. This shows an error because we cannot use space in between the identifier. What we can use is we can give an underscore there and print. Another important rule is we cannot use keywords as identifiers. Let's take if equal to 9. This shows an error. Now let's take true as 10. This shows can't assign a keyword, and for false equal to 10 it shows the same. So that's up for today guys. Hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. We will deal with keywords in the next video. Thank you for watching.